Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we're gonna continue the Git series as well. So this is our third video. So in the previous video, if you know that we have covered few of the Git commands or the Unix commands like change directory, making a directory, remove directory, and list command, correct? So these are the few commands and also the touch command. These are the few commands which we have learned in the previous series video, right? So in this video we're gonna learn few of the commands and we'll see how we can able to use those commands as well. Okay, so let's get started. So in the previous video I have created a folder called test, right? So there is a folder called test. So now what we are actually going to learn is there is a command called sort. Okay, there is a command called sort. So I have a file with a name called sample.txt already, and in this file I have added few fruit names, okay, like apple, orange, banana, grapes, jackfruit, mango, watermelon. Okay, so now what we are learning is we are learning a command called sort. Okay, we are learning a command called sort. Sort is used to sort the content of a file. Okay, so I have already created a file. Let's see how sort command is going to work. I'll open my git bash over here directly. Okay, as you can see I am not inside the test folder, right? I'm not inside the test folder. So I'll go inside test folder. To go inside a test folder or a test directory, we need to use a command called change directory. So cd test, enter. So now I am inside my test directory. Okay, so now I'll use a command. Okay, command called sort. Okay, sort. What is the file name? As you can see, file name is example.txt. So example dot, oh yeah, example file name only I mentioned as example.txt. So let me make it as just example. Okay, example. So by default it will be text file. So example.txt is a file. Okay, so this is our output, actual output. Clear? So now I'm going to run this command. Now just pause this video and try to see the difference. Okay, try to see the difference between these two now. Okay, pause the video and see the difference. Like now can able to identify based on what this has been sorted. Actually I am telling you this has been sorted, but based on what category or based on what this has been sorted. Okay, pause the video and try to understand. All right, so yes, so now if you have got the answer means that's really great. So now let's understand based on what. See, jackfruit came first, correct? Jackfruit came first, right? So next it came mango, correct? So after mango, orange, apple, banana, grapes, watermelon, everything, all those came over here, right? So here I just made a mistake over here, and yeah, no problem for that. See, observe over here, capital letter or cap or uppercase text came for the first and small cases came at the end. So what does this means is this has been, okay, this has been arranged or this has been sorted based on the ASCII values, based on the ASCII values. Okay, so now let's understand what my ASCII values quickly. So I'll just open my browser. Okay, so I'll just open my browser quickly. So yeah, here is my browser. I'll just open a new tab over here. Okay, so like this. All right, so here I'm going to search ASCII value. Okay, ASCII values. So I'll just open an image quickly so that you'll understand. Suppose if you don't have any idea about ASCII value means. So let's have a small quick idea quickly. So not this one. I'll take this image over here. All right. So I'll take this image. I'll open this in a new tab so that this image looks very perfectly. Observe over here. A as ASCII value called 65. Okay. And a small a ASCII value is 97. So every symbol and every alphabet and everything has this ASCII values. So computer is not going to understand if this is a capital letter or small letter. Based on the ASCII values, it is going to arrange. Okay, so A comes first and J is the value of 74 and apple is the value of 97. So for that reason, jackfruit came over here and apple came over here. Clear? So I hope you guys understood. So there is a one more flag called -k2. I'll show you what it is. So sort -k2. There are plenty of flags are available for other commands as well. So after understanding all of this, try to get master in that. Okay, so let's click on it. So now try to understand based on what this has been done. Same thing, correct? So this is actual flag to order based on the alphabet wise. Okay, so there is one more thing I'll just show you quickly. So I'll remove this K and I'll keep it an I. Okay, I hope you guys understood till here, right? So now we'll move on to the next command, which is called grep. Okay, command called grep. Grep is a command. Okay, grep is a command, or it is a powerful command and will be used by system admins quite often. Grep command is used for searching specific string pattern in a file as well as standard input and output. So since we are using the git bash, you can't able to see the output properly, but grep command most often will be used in the to view the data in a production logs, to view the logs. Okay, so grep command. So here you can able to see the output properly, but try to understand the grep command work here. Grep command is a powerful command which will be used by the system admins, okay, for searching specific string pattern. Okay, so here we have something called Nobita, correct? So I want to search this. Okay, so it's very simple. Grep, okay, you need to give it in a double quotes. Okay, Nobi, all right, Nobi, and the file name will be sample.txt. Clear? So what does this mean is here you can able to see entire output, but normally this is going to check the entire file, and if your text is visible or if the pattern is visible, that is going to give you the output in a kind of color highlighting, or a certain paragraph is going to display in the log section. Okay, we can't able to see the output properly in the git bash, but you can able to see in the logs. Okay, I hope it's clear till here, right? So let's move on to the one more example. Okay, one more command called diff. So I'll show you what is my diff. So first and foremost thing, I'll create a file, two new files. Okay, so with the command touch file1.txt. okay, and the second is touch file2.txt. As you can see, two file has been created. So now what I'm going to do means I'll just add a simple program. Okay, any program. All right, so let's say I'll take a binary search program quickly, binary search. All right, so I'll take just a normal program. So I need to show the demonstration of a command called diff. Okay, I'll just copy the program quickly. Okay, any program. I have one. Okay, I'll just take the proper program. So here we have C, C++. I'll take Java one. So just copy this program. Okay, I'll just copy this program. I have copied this. So I'll just select and copy it again. All right, till here, copy, and I want to paste it in my file 1. Okay, so file 1, save, and I'll open the file 2 as well, and I'm gonna save it over here as well. Clear? So now we know that, we know that file 1 and file 2 has both has the same program, right? So now I'm gonna run the diff command. Okay, so first let me run this, then I'm gonna give you the actual meaning of diff command. So diff, okay, file1.txt and file2.txt. Just click on enter. So now you won't see any output, right? Yes. So now let's understand the meaning of diff command. So diff command is used to find the difference between two files. Diff command analyzes the files and prints the lines which are different. Let's say we have two files, right? File 1 and file 2, correct? So now we know that two files have the same program, correct? So I'm going to open one file. See, I have opened file 1. Okay, I'll just modify a few things. Okay, let's modify a few things. So binary search, I'll change it as binary search. I have added a single yes over here. Okay, so instead of return -1, I'll make it as return 0. Alright. So here return -1, I'll make it as return 1. Okay. So main, I'll keep it as mains. And here we have till 40. I'll add a one more element over here. See, I have made a few changes, few lines, correct? So I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to run that command again. I'll just make it big size. Okay, I'll maximize this. So diff file1.txt comma file2.txt and I click on enter. So now observe this output. So the greater than symbol is going to compare the file1, means this is the changes. This is the greater than symbol of this file and less than symbol of this file. So this is comparing, okay, file 1 is getting compared with the file 2. Okay, so now you can able to observe over here 2C2 means from in line number 2 of file 1 and line number 2 of file 2, these are the changes. So this is the line of file number 1. Okay, it says class binary search as. Here you have a yes, correct? So here you don't have an S, so you just have a binary search. Clear? So next, one more modification at the line number 4. Okay, so here you have a 0 and here you have a -1. Clear? This is the difference in these two lines of two files. Difference in two files. So again we have a line number 27, which is here it is return 1 and here it is return -1. Clear? And in the line number 31, mains here and here we have just a main. And in the line number 34, we have 50 extra, but we don't have a 50 extra over here. Correct? So this is how diff command is going to work. Diff command is going to find the difference between two files. Got it? So this is how the diff works. I hope it's clear. Okay. So now we learn one more command called unique. So unique command is used for filtering out the duplicate line in a file. So filtering of a duplicate line in a file. So I have a file already called file1. I'll open this file itself. Okay. So now as you can see, we have a class binary searches, correct? So I'll just copy this line again and I want to paste it over here like this. Okay. We have a duplication, correct, in file1. So I'm going to save this file. Okay. So let's run that command. So I have closed my git bash. So I'll just open it quickly again. So cd test. Okay. So a command is unique. Unique. So what's the file name? File1.txt. Just click on enter. See now we can able to see the output. See now observe the output over here. See, I have pasted class binary search twice. Correct. But here it has been printed only once. To cross check, let's open that file again. File1. See, class binary search has been printed in our git bash only once. Here it has been here we have gave 2 times, correct? So this is how the unique command works. Unique command is used for filtering out the duplicate line in a file. Got it? So I hope it's clear to you. These are the most used commands, Unix commands or the git commands in developing process. Okay. So we'll see few more commands in the version control section in the next video, and I hope you understand the topics or the different commands in this video. So practice it, and if you like this video, just give a like button over there, and if you're new to our channel, go and smash that subscribe button. So we'll meet in our next session. Until then, take care. Goodbye. Bye bye.